Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and that your device is eligible. Make sure iOS is updated and Testflight is installed. Once done, request access from the developer directly. Send your Apple ID email and device model so they can add you. If they use an open public link, they'll send that instead. If they use an invitation code, they will generate it in App Store Connect and provide it to you. Act now, request the invite, and keep your email ready to accept. You redeem the code inside Testflight or follow the developer's public link. Open the app before you paste anything. When entering the code, type it exactly. It's case-sensitive and often includes dashes, so avoid adding spaces. After you redeem, Testflight will show the available beta build. Accept required permissions and tap Install. While it downloads, the app version and expiry date are visible. Note them so you know how long testing lasts and when updates will arrive. You finish by opening the installed beta and checking core functionality. Use Testflight's feedback to send crashes or notes to the developer. If the code fails, first confirm with the developer that it's active and that you used the exact Apple ID they invited, then retry after restarting Testflight. If the build is full or expired, ask the developer to reissue a code or expand testers. One quick troubleshooting tip: sign out of Apple ID and back in, then retry redemption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.